Hello guys, welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I show you how to make verification your new created channel.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
Why this is important? Because this verification enable some features in YouTube channel. Go to your profile in right corner, go to settings. Here is channel status and features. So click in this. And like you see, my account Relax Music is not verified, and like you see, part of this feature is not available, like live streaming longer videos for 15 minutes. So if I have videos 2 hours with Relax Music, this will be not available. So I need to enable this. To enable this, I need to make verification my account. The same is with content ID apples, custom URLs. So to make verification, here go to top of the page. Here is button verify. Select country what you are, and you have two options: call me with automated voice message or text me with a verification code. I select this. Here is language, and here you can type your phone number. So we need to type and push button submit. After pushing button submit, you should get form with a place where you type code, what you get in your text message or from call. If all going success, you get a message, congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. Push button, continue. Like you see, we're back to our status page, and now I can upload videos longer than 15 minutes.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.